Dr. Vadiville. I came across an email about ToothHQ's holiday special offering 50% off laser cleaning, and I'm interested. Could you share more details about what's included in this offer? Also, how is it different from laser whitening?
Well, you want to try that? 50% off, you know? All right.
I know.
All right. Okay. So what the laser whitening is, as you guys know, like most of you guys follow us, and so there is a different type of cleanings that are available. So whenever you are getting a cleaning done at a dental office which do not offer the laser, so they just do a regular cleaning that involves cleaning using the mechanical instrument, but they do not pass the laser around to decontaminate the bacteria. So one of the great ways to avoid the bad breath, and particularly short term, would be to kill those bacteria. If you guys were watching the show earlier, we talked about leaving the food on the counter, which is what causes the bad breath. So leaving the bad bacteria under the gum line is what causes the bad breath. So by killing the bacteria, you're going to get some real freshness. So what we do in our office is we offer the regular cleaning along with the laser, and we offer the deep cleaning. And whenever we offer the deep cleaning or the deep gum therapy, we call it, we use the laser after we finish the deep gum therapy to decontaminate the gum and do what we call it as a laser bacterial reduction also. And also the next step is when patients have advanced gum disease, we do laser gum surgery to make it as a non-invasive procedure. Even during that time, we are using the laser to decontaminate and then do the bacterial reduction also. All of these procedures that we are talking about, whenever we are using the laser procedure is an added cost on the top of the regular cleaning that you get. So we offer 50% off of that laser. That way you can take advantage of having a fresh breath for the holidays. So and then expedite the healing process, which I call it, right? So if you are going to take, let's say, 3 months for the bad breath to get better, so you by immediately killing those bacteria, and you are going to expedite your healing process, and thereby you are going to have like a faster, fresher breath.
Absolutely, and we like clean and fresh. So go for it, you guys. Get your laser treatments.